Welcome back. This is the second part of creating the earth art here. As you can see, I hope you get creative. So canvas is dry after we painted it black. I want you to get white, maybe some blues, greens, maybe a deep blue and a different kind of green. I've had some people actually use like yellows and other kind of colors just to make it abstract, but don't judge yourself and just do whatever is being called to you. So I'm just gonna go with, regular colors of the earth. Blues, greens. What we're gonna do is just squirt a little bit here and there. Nothing special. I'm gonna actually bring this down a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Maybe I'll just bring it a little bit closer. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So I'm going to do blue. Yeah. Maybe blue over here. Maybe a blue up here. You don't want to go all the way up because, right, this is going to be the part of outer space, right? I'm going to get a lighter blue. Some oceans, maybe bring that up top more, maybe some other blue, and you'll notice that this is really easy, right? Nothing to really overthink. And maybe over here, boom. Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna get a spatula. These guys, different sizes. Sorry, let me get some. You can't really see them. Okay, they're there. They're in focus. So I would use maybe something like this. And what we're going to do is kind of let it dry a little bit. Because as you can see with like these parts, there's some like different variations. And, if you want to completely saturate it, that's fine. But I really like the look of, kind of the black poking through on here, right? So I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to make the edge of the world. So I'm going to start, and it's just very simple. See how like easy that is? You can play it around. And I'm going to use this spatula, and I'm going to start, dabbling in the different locations to, spread it out. So this area, this corner needs to be worked a little bit. So I'm going to kind of bring that over. And it doesn't have to be perfect. This is not about being perfect, right? And you can see with this corner, there's this blob right here I need to fix. So I'm going to bring it, and we want to keep this, direction of the earth, right? So I'm going to bring it over like this. I don't like that one. See, I like the smoother ones because it'll won't make these marks on there. So there we go. Look at that beauty. Yum, yum, yum. Now it doesn't have to be perfect here because there's going to be a part 3. I hope you like your artwork already. And I want some variation up here, so there we go. A little bit of variation here. Can bring it over here. So if you take the blue over here and then we bring it over here, you can see what that does. And you just leave it. You leave it as is, because the part 3 is going to modify it to leave it a little bit more. I have some extra paint right here, and I think I want to bring some variation up here. So that's what I'll do. Yeah, that's what I like. Woo! So fun. Get this green maybe over here. That's cool. Right. So you see what I'm doing? It's fun. So I'm going to take this blue and I'm going to move it over here and put the green over here. Awesome. I think I want some more green over here. Right? Can take that and move it. I think I want a little bit more blue in this. So let's see. Maybe a deep ultramarine. And so since there's this location here, glob it on. And then I'm going to just take it this way and then take it that way and then take it this way and that way. Awesome. Bring it over here. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Awesome. I think, and you can like go like this too, and that kind of affects the feel as well. Right, because awesome. Okay, so we're gonna take this. I feel like I want some more blue in there. I feel like this part is a little bit too green, so I'm gonna bloop 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 take some blue in there. If you want to add sound effects while you paint, you know, that's always fun. But I'm gonna spread it like this. That looks cool to me. Awesome. Yes. All right. So, you know, it's up to you, like how close you want it to the edge. You know, if you want less stars in the black sky, you know, we can. If you want more earth, you know, that's up to you. But like I said, this is just part 2. And I'll be back with part 3, and we'll finish up with this earth painting. Thanks for joining.